In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Docs to Microsoft Word using Google Drive. If you need to share a document with someone who uses Microsoft Word, or you just want a docx copy for offline editing, this simple workflow will get you there in a few clicks, while preserving as much formatting as possible. Start by opening your web browser and going to a Google page. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your files. In the top right corner, look for the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. It looks like a small square made of 9 dots. Click that to open the Apps menu. From the menu, choose Drive. This opens Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. Once you're in Drive, navigate to the document you want to convert. It should be a Google Docs file, not an uploaded Word file. Double-click the document to open it in Google Docs. Give it a moment to load fully before moving on. With the document open, go to the top menu bar and click File. A drop-down will appear with several options. Hover over or click Download to reveal the available formats. This is where Google Docs lets you export your file into different types. Select Microsoft Word. You'll see it listed as Microsoft Word, docx. As soon as you click that, your browser will begin downloading a docx version of your document. Depending on your browser settings, it might automatically save to your default Downloads folder, or it may ask you where to save the file. Choose a location you'll remember, like your desktop or a specific project folder. A quick tip on formatting. Most text, headings, and basic layouts convert cleanly, but specialized fonts, certain tables, or complex page layouts might shift slightly in Word. If the document is critical, it's a good idea to open the downloaded docx in Word afterward and skim for spacing, page breaks, or image alignment. If your download doesn't start, check for pop-up blockers or download permissions in your browser. And that's it. You went to a Google page, opened the Apps Launcher, chose Drive, opened your document, and used File, Download, Microsoft Word to export a docx copy. You now have a Word version ready to edit, email, or upload wherever it's needed. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider saving these steps for next time you need a quick Google Docs to Word conversion.